All right, so it's gonna be Matic once again, right? So let's move on to the Matic one. Here we are. Amazing. Matic, my friend. Matic has been on a roll, hasn't it? Like you've made Matic look really super impressive. Now, unfortunately, if I dive into the 1 hour time frame right now, I'm gonna talk about the 1 hour time frame here. And you are making a little bit of a descending triangle for Matic. It's been overextended, I know, and Matic is actually looking to make that descending triangle with the decision coming in by tomorrow. So yeah, basically be careful. And the technical target for this descending triangle is going to be from there to there, and we're looking for Matic to basically come and correct down to 0.8453. But I do reckon you do have a small possibility to actually come even way more down to 7897 and backtest that trend line and move higher, because there was a trend line previously that you didn't successfully backtest. So there was a touch there, touch here, touch there, touch here, and then you move up, but you never really retested this line. So maybe come down again to 7978, somewhere something like this, and then start to move a little bit higher. So that's pretty much it for Matic, at least on the shorter time frame with this comment right now. So it's been overextended. The weekends are starting in again. A little bit of retracement does make sense down to those levels. So let's move on to the next coin, which is going to be SLP.